Setting up a children's home in the UK involves navigating complex regulations and standards to ensure that the provision provides a safe and nurturing environment for vulnerable children. Welcome to this video by Elevate Care Insights. This is Gradle, and today I'm going to look at the intricacies of the legal and operational requirements, leveraging the expertise of a seasoned childcare social worker and specialised consultancy services, which can be invaluable to setting up a children's home. So here's how these professional resources can assist your process. Expert guidance on regulatory compliance. Childcare social workers, especially those with experience in residential settings, have a deep understanding of the regulatory landscape. They can offer precise guidance on how to meet and exceed the standards set out in the Children's Home Regulations 2015. Consultants that specialise in setting up children's homes can help operators understand their obligations under these regulations, including the specific requirements for staff qualifications, safety protocols, and the quality of care. Assistance with OFSTED registration. One of the most challenging steps in setting up a children's home is navigating the OFSTED registration process. Consultants and experienced social workers can assist in preparing all necessary documents and processes required for OFSTED registration. They can provide insights into what inspectors look for during assessments and how to effectively present the home's capabilities and readiness to provide high-quality care. Staff recruitment and training. Qualified and competent staff are the backbone of any children's home. Consultants often offer recruitment services or can recommend recruitment strategies that align with the stringent requirements of children's home staffing. They can also organise or provide access to specialised training for staff, ensuring that all employees are equipped with the latest knowledge and skills in childcare, safeguarding and emergency response. Policy development. Developing comprehensive policies and procedures is crucial for the smooth operation of a children's home. Childcare social workers and consultants can help draft tailored policies that cover all aspects of care and operations, ensuring compliance with the law and establishing clear guidelines for everyday and exceptional situations. These include safeguarding policies, health and safety protocols, and emergency response plans. Preparing for inspections. Ongoing compliance with OFSTED standards requires regular internal and external assessments. Experienced consultants and social workers can conduct pre-inspection audits to identify areas of improvement and help implement corrective measures before formal evaluations by OFSTED. Their experience in dealing with inspections allows them to provide insights that can significantly enhance the likelihood of a positive evaluation. Support systems and continuous improvement. Consultants and experienced social workers not only help set up the systems but can also be part of ongoing support systems, offering advice and updates when regulations change or when new challenges arise. They can facilitate continuous improvement programs, workshops and training sessions, and can help staff stay current with best practice and emerging trends in childcare. So utilising the services of experienced childcare social workers and specialised consultants can significantly streamline the process of setting up a children's home. Their expertise ensures that the home not only meets the necessary legal requirements but also excels in providing a high-quality, supportive environment for children. This professional support is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the complexities of establishing and running a successful children's home in the UK. As always, please do like, leave comments and subscribe. That helps our channel. Thank you.